Well, I got it on, and yeah, the hardware for the tour pack didn't have the bolts. It takes 5 quarter 20, and down here underneath here, where everything hooks up for the hardware, they got to be 2 inches long. So I put washers on everything, top and bottom, and then lock washers, and I also use blue Loctite, or clear fingernail polish, don't matter, still the same. I guarantee it holds just as much as what blue Loctite does, but that's just me. The docking hardware right here, that is a 3-inch bolt. I use stainless steel, and it took the nut that was in the fender well. The rest of it is all the original Harley parts and bolts. So there's only 2 that I didn't reuse, and that was the ones from each side of the fender where it goes through. All in all, it is what it is, man. But Harley says you can't put a tour pack on their 1994, 95, or 96. Well, I can beg to differ right now. All right, later.